It's the nano-manufacturing node. We're part of the Network for Computational Nanotechnology that's sponsored by the National Science Foundation. And the term node there is meant to suggest that we plug into a larger cyber platform, which is based at Purdue University. And that cyber platform is designed to create open source, freely available software tools that enable some nano-themed activity. So our node plugs into that platform where we focus on the nano-manufacturing component. The way to think about this and what we do is best thought about in terms of wanting to design your own, bake a cookie. But then you find out that someone wrote some really cool software and they did all this coding and they figured out how to really capture what it's necessary to make a very tasty cookie. And you go ahead and enter all the ingredients into the software, and the software spits back information that tells you how long the oven should be on, at what temperature, tells you the exact components you need to put into the batch to mix it up. So we try to do that for nanotechnology and for making products, structures, materials that have nano blocks that make them up. So we have a dedicated software programmer on our team who works with the different engineers and scientists to take the models and the designs and translate that into code in such a way that it can be ported onto the cyber platform and accessed by the typical average person who has interest in this. The hope for nanotechnology, or at least a hope for nanotechnology, is that it could impact the broader society in many different ways. Health is, of course, an important component. So one can think about, in one domain, making better sensors. They could be sensors for glucose, sensors that might be better at monitoring a person's fatigue levels. This is at least the vision for how a center like ours can hopefully be able to help.